In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make ElevenLabs yell without distortion using an easy method. If you're looking to create high-quality audio where the text-to-speech sounds like it's being yelled or shouted, you've come to the right place. Before we dive in, don't forget to use our affiliate link when signing up for ElevenLabs to support our channel. Now, let's get started. Once you're set up and ready on ElevenLabs, generating yelling or shouting text-to-speech involves using their latest V3 model. This model is a game changer when it comes to producing dynamic and expressive audio. It offers more precision and detail, allowing you to fine-tune the emotional expressions in your generated speech. To achieve the effect of yelling or shouting without any distortion, the key is in the use of tags. One of the most exciting features of the V3 model is its ability to incorporate these tags, such as scream, shout, or yell. When you input your desired text, you can specify these tags within your prompt. This will instruct the model to elevate the volume and intensity naturally, maintaining clarity and preventing the common pitfalls of distortion that occur with traditional methods of increasing volume. When applying these tags, it's crucial to place them strategically within your prompt. This ensures that only the parts of the text you wish to have emphasized are affected. By doing so, you give yourself more control over the prompt engineering and ultimately the final output of audio you want to generate. The V3 model is designed to maintain a smooth auditory experience, even when the speech intensity increases, so you won't have to worry about the sound quality being compromised. Remember, the goal here is to create a realistic depiction of yelling or shouting without the harshness that usually comes with simply turning up the volume. Leveraging these tags within the V3 model allows for a more polished and controlled output. Whether you're working on a creative project that needs expression or just testing the capabilities of ElevenLabs, this method opens up a new range of possibilities. So, that's all you need to know. By using the new V3 model and strategically placing the scream, shout, or yell tags in your prompts, you'll be able to create a more dynamic and engaging text-to-speech experience effortlessly. Make sure to experiment with different tag placements to see how it affects the output and find what works best for your specific needs. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks. See you in the next video.